Hi, this is Mr. Sanders, and here's a quick how-to search for your causes using Charity Navigator. I'm going to show you how to search for things such as gender justice as a cause, and we get places in St. Paul, Minnesota, with a rating of 96%. Gender Justice League in Seattle, and a few more down here. Let's just go ahead. Here's one. The Gender Justice League in Seattle, Washington has a 4-star charity rating of 97%. So what does that mean? Here, when you find a specific nonprofit that you want to look to and learn more about, you just click on it, and then you have a lot of different rating information about it. You can see on the right-hand side it says 97%, accountability and finance, culture and community. And we can look through here. There's not a lot of information on this, but other large organizations and nonprofits have more information. But in any case, in order to complete the assignment, you can go through and see what kind of information is available, such as the accountability and finance. Here we have some information, financial metrics, liabilities, program expense, and leadership and adaptability. No information in this case, but these are different categories you can use for your report. Let's try another cause. I will go up here to the top and I can search here for education. Let's take a look at that. And here we have a number of different places. Education NC, 100% rating. Education Works in Philadelphia, 73% rating. Here's an organization, Education RE, with no rating. Education for All in Reston, Virginia, not rated. And there are several others here that are not rated. But you can go through and let's take a look at Education North Carolina, see what kind of information. They have a 100% 4-star charity rating. And we can look at the different kinds of information. So there's impact and results, nothing scored here. Accountability and finance. Here are the key metrics. If you don't know what these metrics mean, you can click on the plus sign and it tells you more about what the specific category means. Tax form disclosures and policies, other information, website disclosures, financial metrics, any additional information, total revenue and expenses. Data is available. Here we go. So we have some data on how much money is involved with this charity in terms of revenue and expenses. And you see if I hover, I get some specific details. All right, I think that's going to be pretty good as a quick how to use the Charity Navigator. Thanks.